Hello and welcome to Axed. I just found this. I've had this for quite a lot of time, but I forgot about it and I couldn't find it. You'd have seen better days, but it is still here. It's a fairly cheap knife. And let's see if we can get a look at the... I think you might be able to see it there. Fosconic. If you have seen my videos, you might have seen the Fosco knife I showed, I don't know, a week or two ago. I think it must be the same brand. I don't know why they have removed the last part of the name, but yeah. I don't think this is extremely sharp anymore, but it doesn't slide off my finger. Don't think it will cut paper though, but it does cut cardboard. It is not the worst knife in the world, but fairly cheap. I don't remember what I paid for it. It's many years ago I bought it. It could use a sharpening, but yeah, it still does work a little bit. But it have also been used a lot. Yeah, I just thought I would show this quickly. By the way, the blade length is about 6 centimeters. But that's also enough, at least for me. Yeah. Thanks for watching.